Hello everyone, welcome to Sichuan Baolida Metal Pipe Fittings Company. It was founded in 2009 and has 14 years of greenhouse manufacturing and sales experience. We offer complete greenhouse solutions using advanced equipment and experienced workers. The factory covers an area of 30,000 square meters with 200 employees. And here is our office. Our company mainly produces and sells greenhouse, including light deprivation greenhouse, PC greenhouse, vegetable greenhouse, and flower greenhouse. Here is one of our greenhouse steel pipes production workshop.
Put the cut strip steel into the coining machine and make square or round tubes through the coining function of the machine. Then straighten, hot dip galvanized anti-corrosion treatment, and finally inspect the packaging.
The steel pipe has a strong structure, durability, and good corrosion resistance. Lightweight, and it's easy to process and install. This is the accessory production area. Here is the gutter production area, and we have more than 4 production lines. And now we are in the slab production area. This is a laser cutter area. This is our storage area. The finished steel pipe will be stored here. This is the blackout film covered with white and black film. Through the outside black and white film rolled up and down to achieve the greenhouse internal light regulation effort. This is our automatic light deprivation greenhouse. Through the motor link, our key control of the opening and closing of internal curtain to achieve the effort of shading. This is our cooling system. This is UFO light, and here is the quantum board light, and that way is the 2-folder light. Here are our nursery seed beds.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.